can be a great people, Kal-El, they wish to be. They only lack the light to show the way.
We are over at Goodwill again. Oh, whoa, you made me lose the door there. For another Goodwill. We're in a, here with the whole family. We're at a Goodwill that I definitely want to add into the rotation, and so we're here in the evening, kind of check it out. Basically, we're in the area. We were getting panduse. So panduse, just like sweet bread, basically, bread with a lot of sugar on it. So this is the best area to come get it. So that's what we were doing. Goodwill's right down the street. So we're like, hey, let's just pop in. Why not? Everybody wanted to go. Again, it's a family affair. Everybody loves it. Let's go see what we can find. I'm already inside, as you can tell. I'm gonna go check out. Let's go check out the glass right off the bat. All right, I was able to quickly scope out the glass area. Nothing really exciting there. So everything's covered right here. I wonder if it's. Oops, daisy. What's going on here? Okay, thought my Zoom thing was all messed up again. But nothing really there. Let's check out the electronics. It's an IKEA pencil light, not for $12. We'll pass on it for that price. And I don't really see anything else, really. Robot vacuum. Again, not an official thrifting trip, but just, hey, we're in the area, so anything we find here is a bonus. Anything we find right now is a bonus, I should say. Actually, you know what? I did see some cool embroidered pillows the other day. I picked up one, at least, embroidered pillow, but I don't see any others right now. No risk with Ultimate Plan Uniters. What the heck is this? Fabric and micro clean. Oh, is it like a cleaning kit? I wonder if it has like okay, yeah, it's a cleaning kit for different things. It's not really very exciting. And since this is kind of a Goodwill I don't frequent too much, but I'm looking to frequent more, I was talking with one of the employees, and they did say, you know, there are many people that come through here, and, you know, they come multiple times a day. So, and according to the person I was talking, oh, look, here's an open one right here. Check this out. So this is what that is. Maybe we'll look it up and just see if it is worth anything. Let's see what the price is, though. $5.79. Let's just take a look and see if it, you know, if it has any value at all. Might as well. They could. Pardon me? Like CD cases that were donated. Case Logic.
Can I have the ladies' restroom open, please? Ladies' restroom.
Okay. One of these things. I mean, it's a cheaper variant of those. Okay, let's kind of move through here really quick. The rest of this, I'll let you know if I find anything. Okay, so the Uniters thing is not going to be worth it at all, so yeah. So we're putting Uniters back. Where did I find this? I'm only getting it because it's a big pack of them for $6.59, so individually not worth it for that price, but in a big old pack of them, yeah, it'll be worth it. Oh, here's these IKEA cups. What do they have on these? These aren't the best glassware, like glass. It doesn't feel very good, but it's IKEA and actually sells well. Not a bad price for 3 of them. I think that might be kind of cool. We'll pick that up. I bought and sold those before. Maybe there might be some more packaged up like that. Here's this. I've sold this before, actually. Surprise, surprise. But mine was brand new. I'm not going to pick that up used. Peter Gabriel. Go check out the toys. Let's check out the toys and sporting goods. Let's look at the sporting goods over here first. And then, whoa, what's this? This is Thomas the Train character? Thomas and Friends. It is brand new with tags. It is $4.49. I couldn't really see it because it was rocking around on there. I'm gonna put in the cart. Look at it. It's a Dan D. I've never seen. I know Thomas the Train, like the wooden toys, the electronic ones do really well. I've never come across the plush, so we shall see. Don't see anything else here really. What's this? Banana. Oh, that's weird. It is an older one, older brand, but not. It's just, I don't think it's really worth it. It didn't really feel very good. Not great quality. This is odd. Masons of California. Glove. Junior Giants. So it's San Francisco Giants. Or Junior Giants. Looks like it has remnants of somebody's name. Masons of California. Remember if this was an adult size, maybe I would pick it up, but because it has the Masons of California thing on it, but that was a kid one. It's just a bit unusual. And the Mizuno will be a no. Okay, let's keep going this way over here and see. Oops. Oh, the red hat. Sold the actual red hats of that, but not a backpack. I don't think would really be worth it. Steve Madden. Nothing really there. Okay, let's just keep moving. Okay, so I did look up the Thomas the Train. It should be worth it, but if it's new with tags, probably, hopefully, well, you'll see a price up there. I'm not going to spoil it. You'll see a price up on the top, but it should be worth it for $4.49. We'll make some money on it, and it's a plush, so put that in there. I'm gonna double check to see what these IKEA cups are going for right now, just because I haven't sold any in the last few months, so just want to be sure. I did pick this up, which is kind of cool. I don't know. I haven't seen, so the whole set is Hughes and Brews. $10.39 is what they want. I think it should be okay. I'm guessing maybe around $40 for that whole set. I couldn't, I did look it up really quick and I couldn't really see any that have a complete, like they're just 2 pieces, 3 pieces here and there. So $10 is a little bit high, I think. It's going to go in a large size box, but I think it's kind of cool. Okay, it's vintage. It is vintage. It's made in Taiwan, I believe. It is kind of cool because everything just sits in that plate. I am already dreading the whole packaging tape, removing that. It's a pain in the butt. I'll tell you that right now. So I'm already thinking about it. That's kind of pushing me towards not picking it up. But I think there's some profit in there. I definitely think there is, and It is kind of cool. It is vintage. It's the teapot, the cup, and I guess you just need sugar, right? Or here in the U.S., we just use sugar in tea. We don't really do cream in tea, not like the British or the Britons or people from UK. English, the English. That's the word I'm looking for. These are pretty heavy duty, kind of cool out. Oh, there's the sticking point as to why it's still here. These should have been snapped up. But at $10, it's going to be tough. That'd be tough for both of them. Maybe it's like $10 for the set. But $10 for each is not going to work. Okay, miscellaneous. There's actually like a Dutch, it's like a little Dutch town here in California. I think it's going south, I believe. But let's check out this miscellaneous aisle side over here. Miscellaneous glass, pottery. See there any potential here. This right here is drawing my eye, but I don't think that's really worth anything. Let me know if you guys see anything here. I'm not really. This kind of looks like it's kind of cool. Oh, it's got a bit of weight to it. It's a dinosaur, obviously. Kind of looks like a balloon. I mean, it's not. It's pottery. It's ceramic, but I don't know. It's kind of cool. I think there's no branding on it of any kind other than that little. What's on the stopper, but it's all there. Let me take a picture of it really quick. So yeah, it's just pulling up all kinds of dinosaur stuff. I don't see any chips, cracks, broke. Oh wait, look at that. Upon second look, there's an issue we found, so reason not to buy it. It would have to be in perfect condition in order for us to really buy it there. And don't want to see too much else. Let's go check out the purses or another aisle. I forgot what's on the other side. All right, let's see. That's interesting. A strawberry milk purse. Huh, I'm intrigued. How much do they want? That's the question. $8.59, not the end of the world. I will give that a look up. It's intriguing to me. It's unique, kind of cool. I've sold some unique ones like that before, not specifically milk, but sold the old Chinese takeout box. That one's always pretty popular. It does sell pretty well. That's a Liz Claiborne. You know, some Liz Claiborne does sell pretty well. I've sold it, you know, some older ones, vintage ones. So, like I said, you can't leave everything. Yeah, you can't just discount everything in a whole brand because there are some that do sell okay. I was looking at this up here. This is mega gear. What the? I'm intrigued. It doesn't look like an actual purse, but maybe some sort of a camera bag. Mega gear has a key for what? Key probably for that. I'm intrigued. It is. At least it feels like leather, green leather. Let's take a look. Take a look. I don't think it's going to be worth it, but I've seen stranger things. There have been... and... Okay, not out of there. No. No, no. No, nothing there. Okay, yeah, Nothing else really there. Not really seeing anything here. And I was here earlier in the week, like I said, so what is that? Shag and wear. Interesting. Doesn't feel very good, but could be some. I'll look it up. I'll look it up. It's interesting. Interesting enough for me to drop it in the cart and do a quick lookup really, really fast. Try to be as quick as possible, you know? Okay, but it says genuine leather, patented and all that. For the most part, it's not going to be worth it. Again, if they have to point out the fact that they are quality products, then usually they're kind of trying too hard. Steve Madden is the behind. Okay, I'm going to quickly look those items up. This should have a crossbody strap if it is anything. It's in there. Bags by who? Bags by Marlowe. It had the strap. We'll take a look. Alright, so not too much. We're going to go ahead on out of here. But the Mega Gear should actually be pretty good. This one here, I don't know. Maybe. How much is it? That's the question. How much? $4. I'm not really seeing it. The strawberry thing is a no. It's not. It's just not worth it. I'm still debating on the little tea set. I don't know if that's going to be worth it or not. I kind of like it. I think. You know, I think I'm going to pick it up just because it's kind of cool. It's kind of unique design. I'm going to look it over and just make sure that nothing's really, really wrong with it, but pretty cool. Hues and Brews is what the, is the name of it. We're going to pick up the IKEA glasses, because that's a pretty good price for 3 of them. Pretty sure we should be able to sell this for $20-ish or so. Well, you'll see the prices on the top after I get home and do a little bit more research when I'm, you know, finishing up this video. But I don't think I see really anything else, so let's go put this stuff back and head on out of here. Okay, so I'm just walking to put some stuff back, and I stopped by. My wife's there and the rest of the family's here, and I picked up something unusual. Let's go this way really quick. Just kind of just trying to find a little cozy spot here at Goodwill. But look at this guy. That will be in the thumbnail. So it is a placenta, baby's first roommate. Okay, this is weird and unusual. Okay, but we're getting that, and now that will be the end of the video. We're gonna go ahead on out of here. We got Bandusa. We might go get something to eat. We will see. But that's the end. Hey, you've made it to the end. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like the video by hitting the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel by hitting my little round icon down below. It really does help us out here. Also, you'll find a couple of selections. You'll see a playlist of videos to watch and my most recent video that I did upload.